friends, Michelle here with Epicurean Delights. You better get that grill fired up because today we are making my cilantro lime cotija grilled corn. Let's get started. I love grilled corn. It's a summer staple for me. It takes me back to my childhood, to when my mom and my grandma had gardens, and it's just so easy to make. I start off by blanching my corn. I do this because it takes less time on the grill to cook, and I know that it's going to be deliciously crunchy but cooked through. So you want to do that first. I'm making a chimichurri steak to go with this, so I'm already utilizing the grill so it's nice and warmed up, and I'm just going to add these to the grill. I'm going to keep an eye on them, rotate them around. I want to get some good char marks and some golden grill marks on there so it's super tasty. So you can see we have achieved that. I've got some nice grill action going with my corn here. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it right to my serving platter. And I've got some wedges of lime, and that's just so my guests can squeeze it over the top if they choose to. I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some butter. So I'm going to rotate this around a little bit and get some, butter on all the sides. That way my guests don't have to do that. It just makes it super yummy. Next, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime juice on there. I cut a lime into eighths, so this is 1/8 of that. And then I'm going to sprinkle some ground cumin on here just for a little bit of kick and a little bit of savory seasoning. Then I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt. I'm actually using a pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of pepper. Going to top that off with my cotija cheese. If you've never had cotija cheese, it is a cow's milk based cheese, and it is salty and briny and delicious, and it doesn't melt. And then I'm going to top everything off with some freshly chopped up cilantro. And there you have it, folks. Until next time, make it sweet or savory, but always delicious.